Hi, this is Zach Meir with the single stocks on Thursday, the 25th of August. Starting off with Hikma Pharma, and the gap down through the 50-day moving average proved to be a correct sell signal for the bears, in the sense that we've got a new leg to the downside here in the wake of the latest from the company. 22.01 was the initial August support, while below that there's a risk of a retest of the post-Brexit vote dip at 18.95 over the next couple of weeks. Any rally towards the 22.01 level currently regarded as a buying opportunity, especially given the way that we've already broken the 200-day moving average at 21.72. Next up, Just Eat, a company which has confused traders on a fundamental basis, but recently we've been in a rising trend channel from April. Support there coming in at 540, so hopefully the shares will find some buyers at that zone. At least while we're above the uptrend line from June at 540, there could be a retest of the 600 plus peak of August to date, even though we did gap down today. If you're cautious on the shares, you'd wait for an end of day close back above the 20-day moving average at 570. On to Marks and Spencers, and here we can see that shares continuing their tentative recovery here above the 50-day moving average and above the floor of this rising June trend channel of £3.29. While that remains in place on an end-of-day close basis, the target here over the next month or so is the 200-day moving average at 406, just below the June price channel top. Playtech is next, and surprisingly good news here from the company. Online trading services. Situation here basically that we've got a rising trend channel from June, and really well above the floor of the channel and recent resistance, broken resistance at £8.96. The target here is high as £10, which is the June resistance line projection rather. Onto a mining stock, which one of the giants here, Rio Tinto, coming off a bit with the recent sell-off in gold and precious metals, but there is an uptrend line here from the beginning of June. That's running through 22.20, and probably one would expect that to come in as support over the next few weeks. At least while we're above that, one would be judging this stock as a potential a buy on a dip rather than sell into strength, even though there was an extended topping out in July and August. So 22.20 there, likely support for Rio Tinto. Finishing off with WPP, where there were better than expected results from the advertising giant. Rising trend channel there from June, and support normally coming in at the 10-day moving average at 17.68, which is also the floor of the channel. While there's no end-of-day close back below that, a peak here around £19 is expected over the next 2 to 4 weeks, especially given the way that we've gapped up through the 10-day moving average so far this week. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.